I'm sure you've heard the news. An airplane incident that's shaking the world. Here's what you need to know. On September 17th, Flight 11025 experienced a critical emergency mid-air. At 30,000 feet, passengers felt a sudden jolt. The oxygen masks deployed as the plane started to descend rapidly. The crew acted swiftly, securing the cabin and preparing for an emergency landing. The pilots communicated with air traffic control, requesting immediate clearance to descend. Within minutes, the plane safely landed at the nearest airport. Initial reports suggest a mechanical failure in the engine as the cause. Authorities have launched a full investigation to determine the exact reasons behind this incident. Thankfully, all passengers and crew are safe, but the incident raises serious questions about aircraft maintenance and safety protocols. Stay tuned for updates as we uncover more details about this shocking event. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news.